Hi everyone, welcome to Basic to Finance. Today I'm gonna guide you through how to create Exodus account on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to create an Exodus wallet account, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the application on your smartphone. Once you have it, tap it open and this will be the first interface for Exodus. If you already have a wallet and you'd like to import it, tap on I already have a wallet button from this page at the bottom and get started. If you don't have a wallet yet and you'd like to create a new wallet, tap on get started. Go through the information by tapping on the next button, or you can skip the step by tapping on skip at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the portfolio page of Exodus Wallet. Now the next thing you'll need to do is to back up your Exodus Wallet recovery phrases. Tap on the window button at the bottom of the page and tap on the security option under profile. You'll be able to see a backup option. Give it a tap and remember that you must never share your secret recovery phrases with anyone. If you do so, they'll be able to access your funds from anywhere. Make sure no one is watching your recovery phrases at the moment before viewing your secret phrase. But if you want to reveal it, tap on View Secret Phrase. Write down your secret phrases in the correct order in a piece of paper. If you want to reveal it right now, tap on Press and Hold to Reveal button at the bottom. Exodus does not want you to create a digital copy such as screenshot, text file or email for your recovery phrases, so make sure to write those down in a piece of paper in a correct order. Once you have the secret recovery phrases for yourself, you'll be able to access your balance from anywhere in the world or even transfer all your funds to another wallet if you wish. Once you've secured your secret recovery phrases, you can now go back and secure your wallet with a passcode. Toggle on the button right next to Secure with Password and create a password for your wallet. Confirm your password by typing it again and you have now enabled security for your wallet. Tap Continue. You can also secure your wallet with a Face ID if you want by simply toggling on the button next to Secure with Face ID. Once you've enabled the security, you can now start receiving any blockchain asset that Exodus supports. That is how you can easily create a new wallet for Exodus. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.